Make a great choice today with the 2014 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with the fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, BlueLink satellite communications, audio speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.